PW2 has disposed that the deceased Lakshmi died due to stomach pain. PW2 has also disposed that he did not know what happened to deceased Lakshmi, and he also did not know who were all in spot. That inquest Panchanama is marked as Exhibit P5 and photos are marked as Exhibit P4. The learned public prosecutor has not elected anything worth from the mouth of PW2 in the cross examination part. PW3 Parvati Lakshman Naik and the inquest Mahachara witnesses has also turned hostile and not supported the case of the prosecution and has also disposed similar to that of the evidence of PW2. PW3 has also not spoken anything as against the accused regarding Mahajara. The learned public prosecutor has not elected anything worth from the mouth of PW3 in the cross examination part. PW4 Mahadev Yallappa Naduvina Mani spot Mahajara witnesses has also turned hostile and not supported the case for the prosecution and has also disposed that he know the accused. He has signed the Panchanama as per the say of police. Police have not drawn spot Mahajara in his presence and it is marked as Exhibit P8 and his signature as Exhibit P8A. PW4 has also disposed that he did not know what is written in the Panchanama. The learned public prosecutor has not elected anything worth from the mouth of PW4 in the case cross examination part. PW5 Mallappa Kundargi, another spot Mahajara witnesses, has also turned hostile and not supported the case of the prosecution and has also disposed that he know the wife of the accused. If it also disposed that police have not called him to draw Panchanama and he has signed as per the say of police that the police have not drawn any spot Mahajara in his presence. The learned public prosecutor has not elected anything worth from the mouth of PW5 in the cross examination part. PW6 Yallava Shankar Naik, the mother of the deceased, has also turned hostile and not supported the case of the prosecution and has also disposed that her daughter and accused were living cordially with house of the accused and accused never gave her daughter any mental and physical torture. It is disposed that her daughter died by stomach pain. It is disposed that she did not know how she died and when she came to know that her daughter died, they went to see her. PW6 has not given any statement before Tahsildar. The learned public prosecutor has not elected anything worth from the mouth of PW6 in the cross examination part. PW7 Sambappa Kallappa Nayak, the brother of the PW1, has also turned hostile and not supported the case of the prosecution and also disposed similar to that of PW1 and PW6. PW3 has also not spoken anything as against the accused regarding alleged incident. The learned public prosecutor has not elected anything worth from the mouth of the PW7 in cross examination part. PW8, 9, 11, and 12 Langappa, Balappa, Pades, Suresh Dandalappa, Hudaguddi, Parshuram Pakirappa, Kakkulgol, and Manasur Mehbib Award are the independent witnesses have also turned a hostile and not supported the case of the prosecution. PW8, 9, 11, and 12 have also not spoken anything as against the accused regarding alleged incident. The learned public prosecutor has not elected anything worth from the mouth of PW 8, 9, 11 and 12 in the cross-examination part. Lakshman Sankappa Naik, relative of deceased, has also turned hostile and not supported the case of the prosecution. It is disposed that PW1 is his uncle. He knows the accused, but he did not know about the marriage of the accused and deceased. It is disposed that about 6-7 years back, his sister Lakshmi was given in marriage to accused, and they both were living in Gokak Falls quarters. It is disposed similar to the that of PW1, PW1 and PW6. PW10 has also not spoken anything as against the accused regarding alleged incident. The learned public prosecutor has not elected anything worth from the mouth of PW10 in the cross-examination part. PW13, the investigation officer has disposed in his evidence that on 21/1/13 about 1 p.m. in the afternoon, the complaint came to police station, lodged written complaint, registered the same under crime number 26 of 13, sent FIR to the court as per the exhibit P20 PW13. Thereafter had been the hospital sent a requisition to Taluk Executive Magistrate Gokak to conduct the inquest Mahajara on the dead body. That the requisition is marked as per exhibit P22, and on the same day called upon the Mahajara witnesses drawn the spot Mahajara in the presence of PW4 and 5 as per exhibit P8, as well as drawn the rough sketch of the spot as per exhibit P23 PW13. Thereafter recorded the restatement of the complaint and statement of PW6 to 12, CW11 and CW14. PW13 thereafter received the report from CW18, received the photograph as per exhibit P7, and instead into the papers. PW13 on 23/1/2013 directed PC 689 to arrest the accused, and thereby on the same day about 1:15 p.m. PC 689 produced the accused before him, arrested him and produced before the court along with the remand application. That on 9/4/2013 sent the preserved articles preserved by the medical officer through CW19 to FSL Department for Chemical Analysis report. PW13 thereafter handed over further investigation on this case to CW22. That CW11, 14, 17 and 22 have not been secured in spot of NBW being issued time and again, and in view of the fact that the complaint and other independent witnesses have turned hostile and not supported the case of prosecution. The prayer of the public prosecutor for reissuance of NBW to those witnesses is came to be rejected, since no purpose would be served by examining those witnesses. So also exhibit P16 to 20 in the form of post-mortem report, FSL report of the police constables, FIR, are marked with consent of the counsel for the defense. The prosecution has got marked the documents at exhibit P1 to 23, which are said to be the complaint, restatement of the complaint, photos, inquest Panchanama, acknowledgement for having received the dead body, marriage photos, spot Mahajara, statement of the hostile witnesses, post-mortem report, FSL report of the police constables, FIR, requisition filed before the Taluka Executive Magistrate Gokak handed a sketch of the spot, etc., that no material objects have been marked in this case. The prosecution in the instant case in all examined 13 witnesses, and among them PW1, 6, and 7 are said to be the complainant, father of the deceased, mother of the deceased, as well as brother of the PW1 have absolutely not supported the case of prosecution, that they have absolutely not spoken as against accused regarding accused has harassed deceased Lakshmi, gave her physical and mental torture for the simple reason that deceased had not delivered male child, tortured her to bring a dowry from her parental house, and in turn the deceased, without bringing the physical and mental torture meted out by the accused as against the deceased, consumed a poisonous substance and died in the hospital while taking a treatment. Therefore, the prosecution has failed to prove the alleged incident, governments of the complaint, etc.